Chances are, if you're looking to move here to Tampa or the area, you want to know about the weather, right? Duh! Today I tell you all about the weather and statistics. So today I have a source, weatherspark.com, that helps me give you all of the statistics and numbers and things that you may be looking at. But in general, in Tampa, the summers are long, hot, oppressive, wet, and mostly cloudy. The winters are short, cool, windy, and partly cloudy. Over the course of the year, the temperature typically varies from 52 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit and is rarely below 38 degrees Fahrenheit or above 94 degrees Fahrenheit, according to WeatherSpark. Many people want to at least come visit Tampa before making a move to the area. Based on the tourism score, which again is created by WeatherSpark, the best times of year to visit Tampa for warm weather activities are from late February to early May, and from mid-October to early December. From late May to oftentimes early October, it is just way too unbearably hot for most people to participate in warm weather activities. Here, once you get used to the weather, or if you're born and raised here, most of the time it's a little easier to be out and about between May and October, but for people just coming to visit, maybe from much colder climates, it's just unbearable, truthfully. Most people do find indoor activities involving water, or at the very least shade, to do during the heat of the summer. In Tampa, the average percentage of the sky covered by clouds experiences significant seasonal variation over the course of the year. The clearer part of the year here in the Tampa area begins around October 2nd and lasts for 8 months, ending around June 7th. Clearest month of the year in Tampa is April, during which on average the sky is clear, mostly clear, or partly cloudy 63% of the time. Cloudier part of the year begins around June 7th and lasts for about 4 months, ending around October 2nd. Cloudiest month of the year in Tampa is July, during which on average the sky is overcast or mostly cloudy 65% of the time. This is due to the rainy season, as I'll talk about next. You'll notice a little pattern when it comes to July. So again, according to my source, weatherspark.com, a wet day is one with at least 0.04 inches of rain, which isn't really a whole lot of rain, but that's what they call a wet day. So we'll get started. The wetter season lasts about 4 months, from the beginning of June to the end of September, with a greater than 43% chance of a given day being a rainy day. The drier season lasts about 8 months, from the beginning of October to the beginning of June. The month with the fewest wet days in Tampa, statistically, is November, with an average of 4.5 days with at least 0.04 inches of rain. The month with the most days of rain in Tampa is July, with an average of 21.4 days of rain. The rain does fall throughout the year in Tampa, not just wet, as I just previously talked about. Now, if you've never experienced Florida and our hurricane season, that one's a super important one to think about and be knowledgeable about, as it does fall right in line with our rainy season, but also, again, brings more things to know and just be prepared for. So hurricane season runs from June 1st to October 31st every year. You want to check out my video right here about hurricane season and other local weather reporters for more information about hurricanes, how to prepare, and what to expect. Next up is humidity. Anywhere in Florida, especially Tampa, is known for being hot, but what makes it seem even worse and even hotter and even nastier, for lack of better terms, is that it's extremely humid. The humidity in the area makes the sweat stay on your body longer, which makes it tougher to keep cool, which makes it feel hotter. WeatherSpark calls it muggy and calls them muggier periods. But so, the muggier period of the year lasts for 7.3 months, from mid-April to mid-November, during which time they say the comfort level is muggy, oppressive, or miserable, at least 36% of the time. The month with the most muggy days in Tampa is August, with 30.9 days that are muggy or worse. Don't let that deter you, though. Humidity is just a natural part of Tampa and the Florida general climate, so you'll get used to it. Again, according to my source, the month with the fewest muggy days in Tampa is February, with 5 days that are muggy or worse. Last but certainly not least, you want to know about the water temperature. I mean, Here in Tampa, we're located near a very large body of water, hence Tampa Bay. I mean, not only just the bay, but the Gulf as well. We are right there next to the Gulf of Mexico. The average water temperature here in the Tampa Bay area experiences significant seasonal variation over the course of the year. The time of year with warmer water lasts for 4 months, from the beginning of June to the beginning of October, with an average temperature above 81 degrees Fahrenheit. The month of the year in Tampa with the warmest water is August, with an average water temperature of 85 degrees Fahrenheit. The time of year with cooler water lasts for what they say 3.2 months, from mid-December to the end of March, with an average temperature below 69 degrees Fahrenheit. The month of the year in Tampa with the coolest water is February, with an average temperature of 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Many natives you will meet still will not get into the water in the ocean, or a lot of times even the pool, until it is at least 84 degrees. For me, it's like 86, 87. So that tells you something about our blood and how used to the warm weather we get and that many people get once they've lived here for a while. If you want more great information on the Tampa Bay area, subscribe and like this video. And then check out this video right here about hurricane season right here in Tampa, especially if you're looking to move here.